Deep within the forest, whispers of wisdom drift through the trees, waiting to be heard. Handcrafted messengers carrying whispers of nature's soul. Meet these 6 extraordinary companions. They are special forest animals unlike any others. Through hand-illustrated cards, every messenger reveals its charm, depth, and tale. Each expression on the cards capture a unique story from the forest, waiting to be discovered. Gain inspiration from the forest by drawing a whisper card at random. Discover your whisper of the day for gentle guidance in life's journey. Your color of the day for energy and mood to lift your heart. And your character of the day to walk beside you. With the protective pouch, carry your cards and figurines wherever life takes you. A spark of inspiration wherever you go. Treetop Whispers. Let your forest friends guide you.